serious? Why so serious? Oh, this is gonna take forever. Yeah, that didn't work out so well. Okay, all the products are listed down below, and although I am referencing a picture, this is more of an abstract look, and that is what I'm going for. Alright, so take your white paint and sponge and leave spaces open for the eyes and then the sideways crooked smile that he has, and then use the other side of the sponge. You can fill that in with black. Make sure you bring the black all the way to the edge of the white, and it will bleed into each other, which is completely fine. That's what we want anyways. You will then take black eyeshadow and a soft brush and completely go around all those edges to soften them up. Okay, once you've done that, go back around and sort of smudge everything up. You don't want the white to be perfect. You want it to look a little dirty, actually. So just kind of bring your brush back around and pull up and out. Follow the lines of your nose. Just kind of mess with the shapes. Then also make sure you include that little area in between the eyebrows. It'll help make you look a little angrier. And take a small angled brush, come back in to make the fine lines. You're just going to drag them in a quick motion, and it's going to help make a more pulled effect. You're going to do the same thing with that under the eyes as well, and then where there would normally be wrinkles in the crow's feet area and in between the eyebrows for that more furrowed look. Don't forget the forehead wrinkles. Now to give the top mouth area a little more 3D effect, you're going to take that same angle brush and you're going to lay it on its side and pull it downwards to make some shadowing. Take a fine tipped brush, dip it in your black paint, and we're going to color in the under nose area to make it a little more realistic looking, and that way you won't see the inside of your nose. Follow the shape of your nose, make some little extra lines underneath it, and then smudge it again to make it blend. Now for my favorite part, the creepy mouth, go back in with a fine tipped brush and you are going to curl up one side, make it shorter, and then bring that red line all the way back up into that cheek that we left earlier. You're going to use the same pulling techniques, just up and out, quick flicks, makes it a little easier, and then go back in with some black and some water to make the red a bit darker. Add a couple white highlights. Fill in your neck with black and white using a sponge, and then going back over with a large, flat, angled brush to make the black lines and just give it that little standout effect. Top off with black eyeliner, mascara, and then refill in some eyeshadow if you need to. Alright, here is our final look for the modern, quick, easy 3-colored Joker. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. You can find me at Bengalqueen on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Why so serious? You know what? That sounds like the Back to the Future doctor. That doesn't even... That's terrible.